Hi y'all, I'm Jeff.
And I'm Becky.
And together we're cruising good time.
On February 23rd, Princess dropped an update to their app, version 1.1. Today we're going to tell you about those changes. We have done other videos regarding the app. We recommend you take a look at our video, the first look at the new Princess app. And shortly we will be releasing one on how the app changes once you board the ship.
So with this new update that Princess just dropped on February 23rd, there's a few key changes to it. The first and foremost is if you look down on the profile page, now you can see your future journeys. This has been missing in earlier apps, something we've been asking for. You can see I got my next cruise here at the Caribbean Princess later on in the summer. And then look going out, if we had additional cruises, they'd be right there to the left of that as it goes forward. You can also find it by the booking number. You can also drill down into it. If we click on the Caribbean Princess, this is really new too. It gives us all the details of the Caribbean Princess cruise that I'm taking out of Southampton, and it shows all those stops we're going to have going forwards on it. So I think this is really, really useful. It shows the travel party, shows how much we have yet to do to get ocean ready. You can click on either one of the names there, and it'll go down into the details of what is missing to be ocean ready to go. And then we can click on our completed journeys, and we can see all the Medallion Class ship cruises we've been on Princess. Now, if you haven't been on a Medallion Class, it's not going to be listed here. I have a few gaps in this, but you can go down here, and you can click on it, and it shows the itinerary you've been on, and it actually shows the actual itinerary you went on. For example, we go down here to the bottom, and my last cruise with Princess was on a Regal Princess out of Galveston in February, and we hit the details on that. Then it brings up the itinerary there, but you can see Cozumel is missing because we actually didn't dock in Cozumel. We had high seas that day due to a cold front coming through. We weren't able to dock, so it actually has the correct itinerary. Similarly, if we go up to the Island Princess, on this cruise we did last November, initially it was supposed to go to Israel. It didn't go there. And then we also missed Santorini, and the Santorini is missing from this as well. So it keeps an accurate log of your ports of call on all your ships. I think that's really a pretty neat feature, and one I really happy that Princess has added. The other thing that is on the app that I cannot show you here because I'm not on board the ship, but in the release notes they say that the Shipmate Chat is now available.
Thank you so much for watching.
If you liked the video, please give us a like and subscribe. Turn on those notifications. Leave a comment below. It all helps the algorithm find us, and we really appreciate your help with that.
Until next time, have a cruising good time.